Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 3 runner rugs. Now this is just one of them, and this is the longest. It's 24 by 5 feet by 60. So that is really nice. It's a good size to put in front of the door. It's nice and low pile, so you can easily open up the door over it, run your vacuum over it. I mean, this feels really nice. It is water absorbent, so whenever you come in, it's got a nice feel to it to get all that dirt and everything off of it. And you've got a nice binding around the back and non-slip grip. So I'll show you the other 2 as well. So this would be great to actually just kind of bring your whole house together just with this nice rug. So I put the other 2 here just as an entry rug and then maybe one over the stairs. This one is a 4 foot and this is a 3 foot size. All of them are 2 foot in the width of it. So that is really nice that they are all around the same. So these are nice rugs to put out. Like I said, I really like how it is all non-slip grip. They feel really good. So as you're cleaning off your shoes or anything, you can easily just wipe off the dirt, get all of them cleaned up. These would look great in any room or all over your house.